Which board is best for NEET? When we want our kids to appear in the NEET exam, we need to look into various factors. This includes the eligibility criteria, syllabus that a student needs to cover, along with the core subject matter required for the exam. This is not an easy exam that can be prepared in just 1 year. It requires years of preparation right from the beginning, with guidance from proficient mentors. In the whole process, the board that we are choosing has a vital role to play. School board and NEET exam. We need to see if a particular board can help a student make the best of his abilities. There are different boards and each has its advantages. Hence, it is important on our part to make an informed decision. Let us consider the CBSE board, which most of us are opting for our kids today. It bears significant resemblance to the core subjects that need to be covered in the NEET exam, namely chemistry, physics, zoology and botany. This is the reason why we are increasingly opting for this board over state boards or other boards. When the course for NEET matches the curriculum of a board, then students find it easy to focus on the topics and learn organically. Even learning the most complex topics becomes a cakewalk by following innovative techniques and strategies for learning. Other reasons to opt for the CBSE board. 1. The similarity of the CBSE syllabus with the NEET exam helps teachers to follow a customized approach for students to ensure that all the critical subjects are covered well. 2. Schools affiliated with the CBSE board provide study materials of the best quality that are streamlined with the NEET preparation spheres. Thus, the double effort needed for learning different core concepts is eliminated. This saves students a lot of crucial time. 3. The board offers comprehensive preparation of various topics that enable students to promptly answer the objective questions in exams in the least time, which is one of the most important factors for cracking it. Other boards. Besides the CBSE board, there are ISC, ICSE, SSC along with other state boards. Compared to CBSE, ICSE has a comprehensive course with many subjects that students need to study from a wide range of textbooks. Also, a broad range of exam materials is required to clear the tests. If we consider the SSC and other state boards, their curriculum is not enough for cracking the NEET exams. In case the students are enrolled in these boards, they will have to put special efforts to make sure they cover everything needed for the NEET exams. This is because of the variation in coverage for each topic in the syllabus in such boards. The right way to prepare for the NEET exam. 1. Start at the right time, that is, from the 10th grade itself, to ensure proper and extensive coverage of all topics. This way, the student will know the subjects that need maximum attention. 2. They need to focus on important subjects and subtopics in each to score well. 3. Besides all these, it is quite essential for the student to practice previous exam papers thoroughly, as this will help them to gauge their preparation level and confidently face the NEET exam. Final words. Competitive exams like NEET are becoming tougher day by day because of the increase in the number of applicants. In such a scenario, it is imperative for the students to know every aspect of the exam to understand how to score well. Choosing the right board for them is, therefore, an important aspect. Besides this, a thorough practice of all important topics with various types of questions is essential to face all exam questions confidently.